I'm going to tell you about Triconex Safety View in 60 seconds. Are you ready? Managing constantly changing operational risks is difficult. One error may lead to an adverse safety event. Using traditional lamps for priority alarms and key switches for bypasses is no longer sufficient, especially in the modern digital era that we're in. Certified by TÜV, Safety View draws the operator's attention to critical changes in process conditions that require immediate action. It gives more intuitive information on the alarm state and the process conditions. It supports ISA S18.1 annunciator sequences. Safety View also provides a clear view of all the safety critical devices that have been placed in bypass, thus reducing the risk levels for which they were designed. Instead of using antiquated methods, why not use a tool which is fit for the purpose of bypassing and critical alarms? Triconex Safety View Bypass and Alarm Management, helping operators manage elevated risk conditions, alarms, and bypasses affecting plant safety.